Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start a complete spoken Hindi language series from basic to advanced. And this series is especially for the people who live in different countries and really interested to learn spoken Hindi language for conversation perspective or something else. And I will try to keep it as simple as I can so that there would be no difficulty in learning spoken Hindi, okay? So let's get started. And in today's class we will learn some basic greetings. So let's see. First one, hello, which means namaste in Hindi language. And this is the Hindi spelling of word namaste. Namaste is a formal word, and namaste can be offered in two ways. First one by folding hands, and second one without folding hands. But when we offer namaste to somebody by folding hands, it is considered to be a gesture of respect, very respectful, okay? But when we offer namaste without folding hands, it is considered to be a casual way of greeting, okay? And I also had some explanation so that you could understand it better, okay? You can read it by yourself. Or let me read it once for you. Namaste is a respectful greeting, often accompanied by folding hands. It can be used in formal and informal settings. Usually, we offer namaste to our elders when they go to their work or get back to home from their work. And when we meet somebody, we usually say namaste and then initiates further conversation. Okay, so I hope you got it everything about namaste. Second one, thank you, which means shukriya in Hindi language. And this is the Hindi spelling of word shukriya. And you can skip this part as it is not important in spoken Hindi. I just add it here for those who are interested to learn how to write as well. So usually we say word shukriya when we express our gratitude towards somebody. And there is another word for word shukriya, which is dhanyawad. Dhanyawad is a synonym of word shukriya, okay, which means thank you. So we use shukriya to express gratitude by saying shukriya. Alternatively, dhanyawad can also be used. Okay. Next, third one, how are you? Which means तुम कैसे हो और आप कैसे हैं, okay? And these are the Hindi spelling of phrases आप कैसे हैं and तुम कैसे हो, okay? आप कैसे हैं is considered to be a formal one, and when we say तुम कैसे हो, this can be considered as a informal one, okay? In Hindi language, we address second person by saying word आप or तुम. आप is considered to be a very formal word and tum is considered to be an informal one, okay? When we meet somebody for the first time, we usually address him by saying word aap. But when we meet our friend, we usually address her by saying word tum, okay? So aap is a formal word and tum is an informal one, okay? So for the phrase how are you, we can use two types of phrase. First one, आप कैसे हैं, which is considered to be a formal one, or तुम कैसे हो, which is considered to be an informal one, okay? Next, this can be a reply for the question. This one, how are you? So this would be the reply for that question, I'm fine or I'm good, which means मैं अच्छी हूँ, मैं अच्छा हूँ, or मैं ठीक हूँ. Okay. This phrase can be used by masculine gender. Okay. अच्छा हूँ. Used by masculine gender. And this phrase मैं अच्छी हूँ can be used by feminine gender. Okay. Remember this thing. When we use word अच्छा हूँ, it means it will be used by masculine gender. But when we use word अच्छी हूँ, then it will be used by feminine gender. Okay. Fifth one, nice to meet you, which means आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई in Hindi language. Okay. So when you have to say nice to meet you, you can replace this phrase by Hindi phrase by saying आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Okay. This phrase is commonly used in introductions, as we use this phrase in English language. Next, sixth one, yes, which means हाँ in Hindi language, and no, which means nahi in Hindi language. Okay, so हाँ is used to affirm something, and while nahi is the word of negation. Okay, so for the word yes, we can replace word yes with Hindi word हाँ, and we can replace no with Hindi word nahi. Okay, next one, sorry, excuse me. It means माफ कीजिए in Hindi language. Okay, माफ कीजिए. It is used to apologize or to get someone's attention politely. Okay, so this was the end of the session. So now you have to practice every phrase by saying it aloud, and please focus on the pronunciation. Pronunciation is a key to learn any language. Thank you. And if you like this session, you can subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.